These websites built in Django. The first one, when we click on logo, it's the home page. There is categories in menu with pizza and drinks, and authentication here, and contacts. Categories here, pizza and drinks. So user can click in menu or here. There is the pagination, drinks and pizza. We can click here for pizza and drinks here. When we browse these websites for this user, you can shop in. When we click on add to cart button, there is these products and there is mini carts with view carts and checkouts. When we click here to add another pizza, the price is changed. For minus, we use this button. To continue shopping, we click here for drinks. After that, the user can click on proceed to checkout, then fill in this form to complete and place order for Ali, Morad, phone, address, then for payment method there is only cash on delivery, okay, then he can place order. After that he can track this order by dashboard. In user dashboard he can click in my orders, so this order is in pending, not delivered yet. When we click on view order, there is order detail with dates and the total price. Then he can print this order or save it as the PDF. There is search engine in these websites like seafood. Let's give it a try. We hit enter and there is seafood. For drink like Pepsi, we hit enter and there is Pepsi. Okay. For a new user, when we log out, for a new user, you can click in register. For user has already registered, you can use login. Login like Ali Morad. You can click on sign in button and he can browse to shop. Okay, for new user you can click here or here. Register first name Majd Noor, password Majd Noor at gmail.com. Then sign up. After registration, then we click on login, then we click on add to cart, then drinks, then add to cart, then add quantity, proceed to checkout, Majd Noor phone, then place order. Then he can track this order by this number. Track by dashboard. Dashboard, there is order, view order in pending. Okay. Then he can print or save as PDF. Okay. In backend admin, there is products. We installed the Jasmine theme for our backend to change the style of this backend. There is products, image, we can save, delete, and updates all records. There is orders. The last order is here by meshed nor order items VG and Hawaii. Then when we change this status of this order, there is drinks in pizza for categories. There is carts ID. There is carts item, and when after that we log out, then after login with this user Majnoor, then you can click in dashboard to track this order. Now, after completing and changing the status by admin, the status is changed by success batch. Okay, place another order for this user, drinks, sprites. Then we change quantity for pizza and sprites and drinks. Then we proceed to checkout. Meshed nor phone is first street, town or city. Then we place order. After that, it can track this order by its number in its dashboard. In user dashboard, when you click here, this order is in pending status. After delivering this order and changing this status by admin, this status is changed in the success batch. Okay, and after completing order finishing this order, our cart is empty. So we place another order. Now for one item, there is in mini cart one item. For two items, there is two items with price. Okay, view carts. Then we add drinks. Now there is three items. So in mini carts there is three items with photo, price, and the total. Then we can click checkout in mini carts or proceed to checkouts. Is the same. Then meshed nor. Then we place order. The number of this order is 14. Then this cart is empty now. In dashboard, we can view this order here, and we can print it or save it as PDF. I hope you enjoy this e-commerce for pizza, and you will learn Django in the easiest way. See you in the next time.